Yeah.
The National Weather Service in Milwaukee, Wisconsin has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Fond du Lac County and east central Wisconsin, northern Washington County and southeastern Wisconsin, western Sheboygan County and east central Wisconsin until 2:15 p.m. 1:27 p.m. Severe thunderstorm moving northeast at 35 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and penny-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include West Bend, Plymouth, Kewaskum, Campbellsport, Randon Lake, Elkhart Lake, Addison, Ashford, Byron, Greenbush, Eden, Cascade, Adele, Waldo, Wayne, Glenboyla, Wood, Fillmore, and Waukesha. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This is the NOAA Weather